Sky. Sky, what you doing?
Looking like Great Grampy.
Let's see if Great Grampy. See if he'll let you hold him, Dad.
What?
You ready? Are you ready? Hey, sweetie. You ready, Dad? Open. Yeah. Hi, baby. Who's got you now?
Okay?
Who's got you now?
Yeah. You smiling?
Yes, Sky.
Hi.
Hey, Sky.
Yeah.
What's your
He's
baby?
got you.
What's your baby? This way. Dad, look this way. Did Sky? Hey. Everybody's flashing stuff.
Hi. Hi, baby. Hi.
Oh, he wants to go by his mommy.
Yeah.
He wants to go by his mommy right away.
He wants to chew on your finger, Pete.
Yeah.
That's what he likes to do. He's teasing.
Hi,
He's
baby.
leaning over pretty hard.
Yeah.
Hey. Hey.
He's a strong boy.
Sky.
Yeah.
He never tried to look at me yet, though.
Oh, we got to turn him around so he can look at you. Here.
Better take him.
I'm going to take him.
Better take him, huh?
Better take him. Here, come look at your great-grandpa.
Great-great-grandpa.
Great-great-grandpa. Here
Hello.
he is.
Hello.
There he
Hello.
is.
Hello. 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 Hello.
Give him some baby duck.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello.
Who's that?
Yeah.
Just
See
great-great-grandpa.
some dogs for a while, huh?
Yeah.
See some dogs for a while, huh?
She got chubby feet.
Yeah.
Chubby feet. Ooh.
He look like his daddy.
His eyes.
Yeah.
His eyes are. Oh, you coming over here?
Yeah, go Sarah.
Smell him up.
You just like kicked Maggie in the eye.
Did doggy lick your feet? Yeah. The doggy licks your feet.
Hey,
Who's that big man?
hey,
Who's that big man there?
hey, Julie, give me a big smile.
Yeah.
Oh, you have to have something in your mouth. Yeah.
Hi, Sky. Hi. Hi.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You're a little wiggle worm. You're a little wiggle worm.
His feet are nice and warm.
Oh,
Sky.
burp. Oh, burp. You want to
Sky.
stand up? Show how strong you are.
Whoa.
Oh, look at that. All by
Whoa.
himself.
Hello,
By himself.
hello. We give a nice big smile. Look at that. Hello. Hey. Hey, big guy. Hey. Yeah.
Yeah. What do you see? Your hand. Look at his hands all slobber. Slobber